Some days you just wake up badly. Maybe your toddler woke you up at 4 a.m., or maybe you just overdid your retinoid. The result? Dry, irritated, unhappy skin. That's why I created Flawless Revival Mask. It's like a big drink of water for overwhelmed skin. And it's powered by a phenomenal 36% hydration. You've got squalene, you've got shea butter, you've got niacinamide, glycerin, and sodium hyaluronate. So we know that tired, stressed out skin is at risk of inflammation. And when we're stressed, the cortisol levels shoot up, impairing our barrier. And over time, that damages skin repair mechanisms, leading to lost collagen and ultimately wrinkles. Flawless Revival Mask helps target these 3 enemies of your grown-up glow. Apply it to clean skin for 10 minutes to calm, brighten, and achieve next-level hydration. Bright, clear, juicy skin just got one step closer.